Hello and welcome to my channel Crafted Beauties. Thank you for stopping by. Today I have planned a Halloween card. For that I have cut a sentiment of Pooh and a small baby ghost, the cute ones. So let's get started. I have designed this card on Canvas workspace. If you want to know how I have designed it, please comment below and I will come back with that video soon if you want to see me how I made that. But this video is all about how I am making this card, Halloween card. It is not a size of card and not a size of tag. It is something in between. So I am just assembling this card. So I will put the music for you to enjoy. There is nothing much to explain. Please watch the video and enjoy. If you do enjoy, please hit the like button, subscribe the channel and do share with your family and friends. So I'm just putting the music going forward. Please enjoy the video.